Hi there, I'm Darcy Barrett and I'm the CEO of SkyDrones Inc. As the Chief Executive Officer, I am ultimately responsible for the proper operation of SkyDrones Inc. here in Canada. So that involves overseeing the financials, the budget process, ensuring that good decisions are made for the growth of the business, but ultimately to ensure that our team and our customers are looked after in a positive way. What can I say? We work with drones. Like, how cool is that? It's really a thrill to be able to be working with the most up-to-date technology in the world, specifically the drone world and with agriculture. We know the importance of farming community, farms here in Canada, and what that brings not only to the country but internationally. So to be at the cutting edge of this is a real privilege. It's a real team. Everybody that works with SkyDrones loves what they do. We don't view this as a job. It's something where we're excited to be at work each day. We're excited to work as a team. We don't think of it as an 8 to 5. We're real available because we know we're helping people, we're helping farmers, we're helping this industry. So it's really that what makes it so unique to work here. It's something that everyone's excited to be a part of, and we're so happy to see it grow. Working with DJI Agriculture is absolutely spectacular. They're the world leader in drone technology, and so they are constantly helping us to see how this technology is improving the farming industry around the world, but especially in Canada, which is an agriculture leader in the world. So we're very excited to see how those advancements are taking place. We're also eagerly anticipating more pesticides being approved. Because when these are done with drones, not only is it done much safer for the applicators, for the farmers themselves, but also for the environment and ultimately the customers that purchase those products. So these are changes that we are seeing taking place in the industry, and we're so excited to bring them to Canada. Of course, lots of reading, lots of contact with various articles, and of course DJI themselves are a huge important part of this. They are always on top of the newest technology, the newest techniques, and so that is certainly a huge help for us in seeing where things are advancing and continually taking place. Of course. That's an excellent question, and it's something that we are super excited for ones to ask, because we feel that as a distributor for the agriculture line for DJI, we can offer the very best in terms of support for a dealer to be successful. We love people to ask that question, to come forward, to know that we're a team. You have questions, you want to know how to be successful in using spray drones in the farming industry. We want to be able to answer those questions for you, to give you that support. So from the west out here all the way to the east, we want to be able to give a team-like support to help dealers grow their businesses and be successful. That's it. Very excited to see the growth that not only have we experienced, but are going to continue to experience, especially this year. It's really positive to see the needs of farmers and how much they're seeing that drone technology is really going to take their efficiency and their farming to a whole other level. We know that the Canadian government has actually been doing lots of testing on drones being used to do spraying of pesticides, and we're anticipating numerous pesticides to be approved in the next while, which will allow farmers to be that much more effective. We know the benefits are huge, and we're very excited about this happening. So thanks so much for checking out SkyDrones Inc. It's a pleasure to talk about SkyDrones, and we hope you are excited about the things that we have to offer. Please check out all of our social media, go onto our website, give us a 5-star review if you can, please. We're very excited to be able to work with you and hope to build a long-lasting relationship.